This is a tutorial on how to register to our web store. First, on your web store, write our address, www.groceryexportersonline.com, and click Enter. Once the page opens, click the button that reads Request Access. Next, fill all the information, specifically the ones with the red star. Once everything is filled, check the box that says, "By checking, you confirm, you read and accept the terms and services." Remember to read our terms and services. After you check the box, click the Register button. You will be brought back to the main page, and in the right corner, you will see a notification that says, "Yay, you successfully requested for a new account." You'll be contacted to continue the process. Then you will receive an email notification confirming your request for a new account. Once you have been approved, you will receive a second email notification. In this email, there will be a link for you to complete your registration. You could either click the Register button or the link below the button. After you click the link, your web browser will open our page with your account information. Enter your preferred password, confirm your password, and check the box that says, "By checking, you confirm, you read and accept the terms and services." Once you check the box, click the Register button. After clicking the button, you will be brought back to the main page again and will see a notification on your right corner saying, "Yay, your account has been created successfully." When the notification disappears on the right side, you will see the name of your store, your name, and your email account. Now you are all set up to start working with your orders. Welcome to our Grocery Exporters online store.